The sun in the mud. The big sun is up in the sky. It is a hot day. Bud the pup wants to play. He runs to the garden. Bud sees a red bug. The bug is on a rug. The rug is next to a big mug of water. The bug hops into the mud. Bud the pup jumps into the mud, too. Now he is a messy pup. "Oh no," says Gus. Gus is a boy who loves his pup. "You have mud on your nose." Gus gets a big tub. He fills the tub with water. He wants to scrub the mud off Bud. Bud does not like the tub. He wants to run. He hides under a bus in the yard. Gus has a bun. It is a sweet bun with plum jam. "Come here, Bud," Gus yells. Bud smells the bun. He comes out from under the bus. He wants a crumb of the treat. Gus gives him a hug. "You are a funny pup," he says. Bud wags his tail in the sun. Now it is time to scrub. Gus uses suds to clean the mud. The water goes glug, 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 glug. Bud is clean. He is a soft pup again. He lies on the rug to dry off. A duck walks by. The duck says, "Quack!" It finds a nut in the soft dust. The sun starts to go down. It is time to sup. Gus puts food in a cup for Bud. Bud eats his food. He is a snug pup in his bed. He falls asleep with a thud. The bug, the duck, and the pup are all fast asleep. It was a very fun day.